This is the first board that I actually shaped on the CNC machine, and it's actually been about 4 months since then, and I haven't gotten around to glassing it. I had to set this container up for glassing, which took a little bit longer than I was hoping for, and I also went to Europe for a couple months to do some competitions, so now I'm back. We're getting set up in here, and I wanted to start getting this thing glassed so that I could maybe go take it for a rip soon. Before getting into fiberglassing this board, there was a couple of things that needed to be tuned up with the blank from when I cut the board out on the CNC. There was a big gouge in the rail, basically all the way from nose to tail, that needed to be filled up and reshaped. And then there was also a pretty good little chunk missing out of the nose. And what I did to fix this is someone suggested to me, I forget who, to use spray foam, insulating spray foam, to fill the crack and then shape it back down to the shape that I wanted by hand. And so that's what I did, and it actually worked really well. Today I just cleaned up the whole blank. After you CNC a board, it leaves little ridges, and so you just have to go over the whole board super lightly with some sandpaper and sand down those ridges. Clean up the stringer a little bit. I routed out the fin boxes the other day, and I just dropped those in now. So hopefully these set up by tomorrow, and then I can start glassing the board. So this board is a polyurethane blank with a wooden stringer down the middle for stiffness and strength. And because it's a kiteboard, I'm actually going to fiberglass a little bit heavier than I would a surfboard, and I'm going to go with a 6-ounce layer of fiberglass on the bottom. And I'm calling this board the Shake and Bake, and it's a design that I've been working on for about 3 years now. And the goal of it is to take a previous design that I made and kind of extend the nose out and give it a little bit more rail to work with. The board is 5'4" by 18 inches wide by 2 inches thick, and it's about 20 liters in volume. So on the deck, I went with 2 layers of fiberglass. I went with a single layer of 4-ounce as a deck pad, and then I went with another layer of 6-ounce fiberglass on top of that for strength, wrapping around the rail. This is a kiteboard after all, so it's going to take a lot more of a beating than a normal surfboard. And the sole purpose of this board, the sole purpose of the Shake and Bake, is for when it's absolutely pumping in proper waves. It's just supposed to be a carving machine.